Welcome back to Einlight 44 Explained, where we talk about mythology, theology, history, and all different types of spiritual topics. If you find this video resonates with you, please feel free to follow, subscribe, and share the video, as this will help balance out the energy on both sides. Comet versus asteroid explained. Many people probably don't know the difference between a comet and an asteroid, but there are actually several key distinctions. Here's how to tell them apart. A comet is made up of ice, rock, and dust, and it originates from the outer regions of our solar system in very cold areas where many dwarf planets, such as Pluto, Eris, Haumea, and Makemake, are located. A dwarf planet is a celestial body that orbits the Sun but has not cleared its orbital path, meaning it still shares space with asteroids and Kuiper Belt objects. This characteristic is what led to Pluto's reclassification in 2006. A planet is a celestial body that orbits the Sun, has a nearly round shape due to its own gravity, and has cleared its orbital path of other significant objects. Key factors to remember. A comet is made up of ice, dust, and rock, and it originates from the outer regions of our solar system. When a comet approaches the Sun, the ice heats up and begins to evaporate, forming a glowing cloud called a coma, and a tail that always points away from the Sun. Comets typically follow long, stretched out, looping orbits, and their most distinctive visual feature is the tail or glowing haze that becomes visible when they are near the Sun.
My nigga.
An asteroid is made up mostly of rock and metal. These objects come from the inner to middle regions of our solar system, especially the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. This area contains countless rocky bodies that are much smaller than planets, and they are made of the leftover material from when the planets first formed. Unlike comets, asteroids do not have ice and therefore do not develop tails when they get close to the Sun. Key factors to remember. An asteroid is a small object made mostly of rock and metal that orbits the Sun. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, where countless rocky bodies circle through space. Unlike comets, nothing dramatic happens when asteroids move closer to the Sun. They do not develop tails or glowing comas. Their orbits are generally more circular and stable, and visually, they simply appear as solid, rocky objects without any tail. Easiest way to remember, a comet is icy and forms a tail, while an asteroid is rocky and has no tail. Thank you for joining us today on another episode of Einlight 44. We hope you leave inspired and uplifted. Carry peace, love, light, and blessings with you wherever you go, and we'll see you next time.